Right guys, so here we go. Here we go. We have got a massive green market today. We're going to look at AAVE, and why we're going to look at AAVE is because we've got some super bullish news, but we're also breaking out of this pattern that I was talking about in a recent video, so it's finally happening. Stick around, watch this one till the end, because I think you AAVE lovers are also going to love what I'm about to say. So AAVE price a day up 5%. We're pumping. We're back through that $160, just where we want to be. And you know, market cap 2.2 billion, so it's looking pretty good. A lot of 24-hour trading volume. Now that's pretty important as well. So we're getting the volume, we're getting the hype, we're getting the bullishness. A bit of a double bottom reversal pattern did kind of play out. But why I'm so excited is because of this. So really, the big catalyst from last week, from coming down from $100 to 150, was that the new V3 platform has been deployed to the Phantom, Avalanche, Harmony networks. So the exciting thing is here, it's going to launch on the Ethereum mainnet, but at a completely unspecified later date. So, this means some point in the future we're going to get a really cool update that's definitely going to help the protocol and basically do all of these things here. So we can see what the V3 is doing. It boasts a fully redesigned app with faster load times, a reduction of gas fees and costs between 20 and 25%, and other things. And you know how good fast software is, because like when you went from the hard drive disk to the solid state drive, how great did that feel? I mean, it was like a feeling like no other. And now you're probably never going to want to go back to hard drive disk. Same as when you buy a nice fast car. You don't want to go back to the Renault Clio. You know what I mean? So this is basically what's going on. $160 right here. And why I want to show you this is because not only have we bounced off a key support level over here at $151, we are, we've broken out the falling wedge with confidence, with lots of volume. And on the MACD, we're getting a bit of a reversal here on the 4-hour time frame. So things could look good. We've got the bullish crossover, you see? Just here, that lovely bullish crossover at the 1.4 on the MACD. And the RSI is even looking really nice too, because we had no bearish divergence. So in my opinion, I think it's realistic that we take the width of this particular symmetrical triangle, and it's probably likely that we will be retesting the $170 resistance quite soon, which is actually joined up by one of my Fibonacci extensions. So really, really great for AAVE right now, and it looks like a double bottom reversal pattern. So not only have we got that, if we break out of this pattern inside a pattern, let's call it, I think it can be very, very explosive. We're going to see $173. Of course, it's possible to get rejection and come back into the symmetrical triangle if we do, and then we'll be retesting the $151 support once again. So here it is on the hourly time frame. We can see a bit more information. Really nice uptrend, not too overheated on the RSI at all either, and it's exciting, right? It's actually exciting. This is all very exciting news for AAVE. So that's about it. It's just a quick update video for AAVE. I wanted to let you know that potentially it's possible to get a long position in here and trade up to $170. But if we get rejected off of this resistance here from the neckline of our double bottom, then we can also potentially get rejected. So this is kind of what I'm seeing. A bit of a double bottom. Maybe we can retest this $170 support. Thing is, it's a great project just to hold for the long term, because we know it's got a lot of potential. We know it's backed by huge buyers. We know that Mark Cuban himself has quoted many times that AAVE is one of the best systems that ever existed in the lending borrowing protocol, and this is why DeFi is so amazing. So there it is, really. $170 onto $192 next, guys. Really looks so bullish with that lovely, lovely big bull flag, symmetrical triangle, whatever you want to call it. I think it's going to do great. If you're new here as well, guys, make sure you do jump in to the cryptocurrency Discord, say hello. And yeah, see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Just want to say a huge thanks to the patrons as well. If you want to become a patron, you will get exclusive benefits, one-on-one messaging, free ebook, access to giveaways with a higher chance to win, and much more to come. So yeah, thanks for sharing, thanks for viewing, thanks for also supporting. See you soon, guys.